Hey guys, this is Matt Selger. I'm here to tell you guys about special orders. Come on. So what will be covered in this presentation? So basically, it's how to perform special orders for a company, when you should and shouldn't do this, and why it's useful to implement this. Now, for an example that I'm going to be using is this example. So for the example, I'm using Dell computers, and so Dell is contemplating a special order of 40 laptops to be sold to Harper students on campus. The normal selling price of a Dell laptop is $398, and the special order price would be $292. Its unit product cost is $298, which is shown on the data below. So, for the direct materials costs, it's going to be $168, and that's just the materials used to make the laptops. The direct labor is $90, which is the labor put into creating the laptops. And then you got manufacturing overhead, which is $40, and when you add all that up, the total will be $298. Yeah. And to continue, more information on the subject. The manufacturing overhead contains $8 of variable costs and $32 of fixed costs per unit. So then that's where you got the manufacturing overhead of $40 from. So it's just basically the variable costs plus the fixed costs. Also, Dell needs to spend $500 in order to throw an event on campus that includes speeches, a mini job fair, advertising for a month in advance, and a small amount of new discounted laptops. And this is basically for promotional purposes, just to get the word out. So I decided to write it on paper just to make everything a little bit easier. So the special price per laptop is $292, and when you times that by 40, it comes out to a total of $11,680, which is the total price that's what it adds up to. So, incremental variable costs. It's basically the same thing, $168, $90, and $8 for direct materials, direct labor, and variable overhead. And when you times all those by 40, you get for direct materials, you get $6,720 for direct labor, $3,600, and variable overhead, you get $320. So the total variable cost for just one is $266. And when you times that by 40, it's $10,640. So, more information on it. The contribution margin is $1,040, and in order to get that, you basically do sales minus variable costs. So the sales were $11,680, and then you minus the total variable cost of $10,640, and you get $1,040. And then you get the incremental fixed costs of the event, which is $500. And basically, you do contribution margin minus incremental fixed costs of the event, and then you get an incremental profit of $540. So moving forward, should you implement this special cost? Well, yes, you should, because you'll be getting a profit of $540. So it's definitely beneficial. Reasons to break even for special orders. So some of the reasons to break even for special orders is in promotional situations where you're part of a big corporation. In this situation, it's helpful for Dell to break even so that more people are aware of their products, and it helps them become more widely known, in this case, around the school campus. So since Dell makes millions of dollars a year, it would be more beneficial to sell the product cheaper, so people who bought Dell in the past, or even people who attended this event, will buy Dell in the near future. And this is because they're more aware of the product and the product quality. So, some situations where you shouldn't implement this strategy. So, if you're charging too little to the point where you're losing money, you shouldn't be doing it in the first place, because obviously you're losing money, so it's not a smart move. Also, it would be risky to do if the company isn't generating enough income monthly, due to the fact that you would be losing more money than you're used to losing. So, if you're not generating enough money to begin with, it's probably not a smart move to do this, because you'll probably need the money in order for your company to flourish more. So, some of the things that we learned today. Special orders are helpful for promotional purpose, which is pretty obvious. If you're selling a product cheaper, a lot of people probably will be more drawn in to buy the product and use the product. Also, this helps aid in product awareness, so more people are aware of the product. Another thing, it gives customers deals which can make them more accustomed to the product. Also, it can cause customers to make purchases of the same or newer product owned by the same company in the near future. And that is the end of my presentation, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you guys learned a lot about special prices. Thank you.